Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex-15IIL. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is typically a rectangular shape and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the interior using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain the overall health of your device. Now disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard by gently pulling it out. Be cautious not to pull on the wires themselves. Instead, grip the connector firmly. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you if you're unsure about the process. Next, remove the screws that secure the battery in place. Keep these screws together with the others you've removed. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. If it feels stuck, double-check for any remaining screws or clips. Now take your new battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the battery in place. After that, reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place securely. Before reassembling the back panel, it's wise to test the new battery. Flip the laptop back over, connect it to the power source, and power it on. If the laptop starts up and recognizes the new battery, you're on the right track. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. If everything is functioning correctly, power off the laptop again and proceed to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clip snap into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex-15IIL. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service to get your laptop back in working order. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.